It's really hot under here. I've never done it this way. Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa. I usually upload sewing related videos. If you are new here, hello. Nice to see you. And I hope you subscribe. If not, check out some of my other videos. Let's see if it's something that you actually would like to continue to watch. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! I hope your sewing makes are coming out really nice. If you are in the Sew It Academy, just like me, I hope you're enjoying it. And if you get to the part where it shows you how to fit your pants properly, let me know how that is. That's probably the one that I'm most excited about to learn. But okay, other than that, let's go ahead and start it with my 5-month rice water update. So let's take my hair out. Real quick, I did get my hair cut. She only trimmed it a little bit because she knows that I want to grow it out. Mom, I'm trying to film a video. I love you. Mama Kitchich. Ya, váyase para allá pues. No, que ándale. Ve a ver tu show. Ándale, leave me alone. Go away. God. But okay. So I got my hair cut and I got my hair dyed, and it's more of like a burgundy, not a burgundy, but like a brown with a slight, very small, tiny bit hint of like a little bit of redness in the sun, I've noticed. But I really like my hair. I love how she did it. It's really shiny and nice. She helped me a lot by getting some shape into it when she trimmed it, and it was just a little bit, which was nice. So let's go ahead and see how the rice water is going to go. Let me go over the sink so that it doesn't spill all over the place. This smells like so bad. So let's go ahead and drench it. Ooh, that smells so bad. So now I'm done spraying it. I am going to wash my hair after this and then spray just a little bit and leave it on. So I'm gonna cover it. The only reason why is because I feel like as it dries out and it releases the moisture, I think it's better if I keep the moisture in. So let me go ahead and wrap it. Yes. So I went ahead and washed my hands because I felt like I smelled too much like feet. So what did I buy at Savers? So Savers, I spent over $20 today. I think I spent $23 today, but it wasn't because of all the fabric I found. It was because I bought my kids some toys. So, you know, so let's get started with this one. This one I don't like a lot, but the material, like, I haven't felt something like this, and if I do, it's really expensive. Once I tell you guys what I think of this when I see it, you won't be able to unsee it. This reminds me of a blood clot. I can't unsee that. And this is 2 yards. It was 2 yards for $5.99, but $6. But half off, it goes $3. So that was $3. I'll put that, toss that on the floor because I gotta wash it. This one is really pretty. I saw it and I don't think it's that much. It's 1.15 inches, and check it out. But it's really, really pretty. But it feels like almost linen. It's so soft and it feels breezy and light. It just feels really, really nice. And it was $3.99, $4, but half off. I got $2. I got it for $2, and yeah, I really like it. And it's pretty. I can actually see myself making something really, really cute with this. So we will see. The next one really got my attention. Look, it's like for an evening dress. It's really, really stretchy, but it's kind of thick too, you know, but it's very pretty. And it has some drape. It kind of looks like, when I hang it up like this, it looks like it could be curtains, but I promise you, like, it's really stretchy and soft, and like, think of like a bodycon dress. I don't know. You know, it's really, really pretty. How many yards? This was $6.99, so $7. That means that there's probably a lot in here. So it's 2 yards and a half. So it's not that much, but it's 2 yards and a half for, how much did I say? So I got 2 yards and a half for this. It was $7. So what's half of 7? $3.50. So this was $3.50. That's pretty good. That's awesome. But this one I got for my daughter, and it's like this really shiny yellow one, and there's a lot of this one, and there's 3 yards of this, and it was $7. So half of 7 is $3.50. So this was $3.50 for 3 yards. That's pretty neat. And look at it, it's really shiny and pretty. And the last thing I purchased was this for $1. It does say $1.99, but it was half off, so that's $2. That's $1. So I'm taking off all the buttons of their old clothes and buttons of my old clothes that just isn't good for selling, and I'm taking all the buttons off, and I'm gonna fill this up with buttons. So now that we're done with that, okay, so I went ahead and I took a shower, and look at my skin. It already looks so much brighter. So let's take this out. Yes. Ahora dímelo delante de ella. What? You guys don't listen to Pimpinella? What happened? You're not cool. So I'm actually going to spray just a little bit of rice water, just because I put it on when it was dirty, you know, but just a little bit, just so that I can feel it. I'm gonna spray it on my face again too. I feel like it made my skin soft, so let's see. Has anyone ever used rice water as setting spray? I'm not gonna try it. And now I'm going to put this on top. Is almost dry. I'm gonna leave it like this and let it just air dry on its own. I'll put my previous video up here so you guys can see how it looks. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. This is the back. My hair is really soft, fluffy, and bouncy. I did get the ends cut because it really needed a trim really bad. Like, you can even see the thickness in my hair. I will see you guys next month with my rice water update, and hopefully it looks a little bit longer than how it is right now. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you are using fermented rice water for your hair, have you seen any benefits? Don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. It helps me out so much. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this rice water video along with my savers haul. If you guys think I can improve in a different way when it comes to updating you with my rice water treatments, go ahead and leave a comment down below on what else you would like to see if you're into the hair thing. If not, I totally get it. And as always, have a wonderful day, week, month, and make it a great year, guys. Bye.